Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get new instruments for GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder option right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with getting new instruments that you want to play in GarageBand. Basically, guys, we are first going to find the instrument that is most similar to what we want. Let's say we want to use some option of a keyboard, such as a flute or something similar. You're going to go ahead and find your instrument, and now you're going to go ahead and click on the More Sounds option right here. So click on More Sounds under the keyboard, and this is now going to open up this menu where you can find all the options that you have. So you have your Alchemy Sync, you have your classic keyboards, and you can even go into the other option right here, the last option. This is going to enable you to get a flute, a French horn, brass ensemble, any instrument you want. If you want even more instruments, as you can see, here is an option that says get more keyboard sounds. That's going to open up the sound library where you can get started browsing all the packs and instruments that you can buy to get for your instruments. But yeah, you can find any instruments and click on more sounds to find all the options for instruments that you have that you can access and use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.